Yes, this is the hustle Ejini Bakiga TV. Amazina ganje ninye Drake na Brown Mukiga. Webare kutureba. Namwe no takayebwa subscribing YouTube channel yetu Bakiga TV, za Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and any other social media platform. Kandi Rizola tulina selcta amen. Twamushango muka apawire selcta amen ngwenje.
Kinyine shonga.
Abantu bari kureba Bakiga TV banzo bakure
ntaka bakwireka amazanseme Bakiga TV abo kintu cyari gukora. It's really doing great thing to Bakiga, to Kigezi, all right, Western Uganda. Nyena baramanya runyakitara mwena ndagira Bakiga TV cyari gukora kushemeza mwe bari kuja konta ya Rizola.
Yes, Ejini Bakiga TV tuli nimwe ho naho turakushangaho. Iwe Rizola selcta amen tinyine bingi yo kubuza konka. Nenda mbanze oramanya Ejini program ya the hustle. Nenda oshoborera abantu bari kureba Bakiga TV obagambire amazina gawe genyine ninga bakakubatiza selcta amen mu kanisa.
Nyo amazina ganje baranyeta Edgar. Yeah, they call me Edgar. Hallelujah.
Edgar, hallelujah.
Yeah. So hustle yanje ukundi selcta mazima yondi selcta DJ.
So izina selcta ukargia kai like who inspired you kandi izina selcta ukaza kugira kweta seri uramenya buryo mwine rye arabande nyo wendi yoha nyenka inde Drake hatiwe erizina. What's the meaning
like why I was up like I'm selcta? Yeah, at kuba selcta nkaleba selcta in a different pango ali DJ.
So selcta na DJ in a different
At selcta is somebody who selects for people music. DJ can easily play even though he has not selected for
so
music.
Selcta ino mugasho muhango kuchiza DJ.
Yeah, selcta selects for the DJ.
Koki warakora emirimo ebiri.
Yeah,
select and the DJ.
Nda selecting can DJ. So aba DJ abari yokwe orenda ngomenda mu selecting jira for the night na bada basabye.
Ba DJ abari yokwe selcta amen ariho orenda ku selecting jira muziki well erizatwaije hano aba selcta amen rikureba we na karantino jineje twanaba mu ngaro kumara ke mirunde nayo naturana
mazima toka iko mukota
selcta amen. Ekindi nenda kubuza like abantu oramanya buryo mayino warareberaho so iwe turenda abo barakureberaho oramayine follow up bako n'ikirominde ha Facebook page yawe nara you have a huge following so ora bahabuhabuza iki like tugambire ebi warabire mukuza kikaholi kujana bo bamanye haso yawe boko kiti.
Yeah man, that's very simple. Over to kuke program eri haso na solinga into music. My mind fold into music na kunda music. I have love of music, so echinda bagambira babalenda babe ba DJ babalenda babe selcta. You love music umanyisa abantu music ya shora.
Won't you go home? Go home to ya. Won't you go home? Go home to ya. Won't you go home? Biggie, I can't get it right now. Mama, your mom. The reason why I play that song in the background, ladies and gentlemen, we have 29 minutes past, actually 29 minutes to the top of the hour, and when it comes to 7 curfew time there, so better be home. So go home to your papa, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your auntie, your mama.
Your papa. To old school music, so you always getting updated of music.
So chikakutwalira chikuza kutandika game chikakweta gisibya chikwechuwo ile uza kugira ngo hati kambe select
sacrificing unaba selcta. No, it's my time, just
time. Ebyo ma ukuragiye yekozi I know arariho ba DJ ba gamba like kushanga oyine kubura playinga oyine za laptop simanya ari mu batani table kuko rabimanya ebyo byona waza ukawa byino uza kutandika ninga just okay ya kutuleya mu town
nahatinka bigizire
natwe tubyine
bireta ko natinka bigizire so atiya ekiriho ni love of music kwe updating but the things mostly are very expensive tibiragurwa so turi kuhasoringa so that twayisobwire tukoreshe tubipurchasing
so iwe uri selector wa uramabujye mwe ba selector na ba DJ barabina amabaragu barakorera kandi aro kakureba hine barezi worakora munda kureba so uri signed under which kale ora play injira baha uramenya kushango ine ka company yorakorera
niyo tine company ndakorera
just uratera urapete we
I'm there uranyetaga arabasa ku inboxinga I was working with some bar mu biro by'uwireho ukayazamo rujungu rwinshi ba manager ati bacenga ryo mutara barenda so abo bakampendo mutima and I proved my service to them yeah ati nareba ngene batari appreciating so from then I can't just lie into a company which is a bar. I can't lie in a bar company. For me, I'm there as special. If you want me, harass me to zeftere chikano.
So selector amen ekindi hekindi ndakubuza selector amen tituramanye bitabo byawe yari okegera he okega ninga just niwe
kega mazire university abalamu nikire tourism kegera abotobere abonendega nabo muri za Cinetex kanse abonendega nabo halo muri P7 they can say.
So apart from DJing and selecting music, which other thing urakora cyekindi harubaju kugira ngo like ngoko uramaro music eranga kuko wagamba like
ibyoma byange
bigira ninga bwagira ubuzima bw'amfuko turi muri quarantine yorabaho te sentoraziya hezo kurya ko zindara weno cyanyirire ko kuorori niko cyari
ndakora farming ndakora farming
muri bibizi ningo orahinga
no kuhinga ndahinga no kuri sembuzi ndazirisa nyine na poetry nirera nyamba.
So maura selector amen arahinga
selector muchiga selector darahinga ramyanka
so selector amen akindi abantu barakureba ha bakiga TV urabahabuhabuza iki aba barenda ngo babenka selector amen like gweka jendi kokwe umunyeto guriyokwe guri kureba ha bakiga TV gurenda ngo gumanye ugwe advice mwene obuhabuzi mu rukiga obuhabuzi uramuhabuhabuzi iki kugira ngo ahikaho
nanakigambire just love of music. There is what they call love of music. Echo chiramara warakunda music urabasa kuchikozesa ibintu byinshi nico ndabasa kubagana.
So selector amen ekindi hariho uramanya last year habirari mu shows nyingi kandi twarebora zitera so umurimo gwa DJing urareba gukuyambire mu life yawe ine byo ihiremo ninga just urakikora for passion.
Dajira you guys you even interviewing me because of music.
Yeah, I know, but like ine byo ihiremo komo
kunyambire already now guri kunyamba mu bakiga TV ndi kujya showbiz yumwe narenda kundeba ari kundeba so
like apart from
guys helped me yeah.
Like for leave alone showbiz I know you are a celebrity in Kabale mukandi komesa like rama ndasa ujanywe kwenda kora abakiga TV bayira onyowe ubuzire bintu byinji mwenkanyu hati iwe mpaho oyihira muki apart from showbiz no kuba selector MN mutabone buryo mwara kujaga ati selector MN okozire muki okozire mitaka
that's nyambire mu farming yanje mazima
so
bindi kora byona bya farming ni DJ ezo show ezindakora anyway tindamanye corona yeraza kuba yawiremo umutwa 10 ibiro 8 kwise biro 11 twine show ha River Nile barajeta reggae on the Nile eyo show mazimaniyo tejenyise ebindi corona yatise kandi kuteka mu kwikumi
selcta amen
so selcta amen show ndajetera bitumye byagumiza mu basi
selcta amen ekindi like oramanyo ndakunda kuvuza niyo mbwenu uramanya turugiye na byabakiga TV mwenda vuza so ati selcta amen iwe who inspired you know how inspired nje kujangu obe selcta
no that was a guy what's his name it's called DJ Kainstar. He's from Jamaica. He used to mix good reggae music. Na nkanda zihurira mu bedroom ya brother wanje. Ndahura arakunda kultiza non-stops of music. Nanye nafuna yo influence nagira kugasha umuntu arogumara gitera byeshungoro bitari kutomerana. So really I love that way that DJ how he used to play his music. Somewhere back. 2000, 2003, 2002.
So niwe expand kuba
inspired in Chile. Ndahurira na radio ndakunda kuliza music batera radio. I came up na music erandita mininga. Music najurira ine kunda shemererwa. So
selcta amen ekindi like nakurira oyina bazire bombi ninga.
Oh man, I miss my mom.
So selcta amen kare ekindi uramanya like growing up like a hustler kuba hasira ticangwe abarama abantu binje baramango hustle ni kubona abona but hustle is working hard.
Yeah.
So like how have you found this hustle like oshanjirota industry ya DJ na entertainment at large?
Mostly warakunde chora kora toka yero toka ruhanukuru warakunde chora kora umwe na bomwe nebizibu byose n'ibyo kuzamo innocente nabwe waragumisiriza
so manaba so emotional so selcta amen
no problem
ndenda osibule abantu bari kutureba ha bakiga TV orebe mu kamera ubebaze kuhagira obagambire kintu what you feel at your heart cyo burira mutima gwawe
mwana ekiranshemeza munonga no ubuhagizi obunyine
reba mu kamera obagambire
ubuhagizi obunyino kwe taramanya kuburaruga taramanya n'abantu abarankunda because of what I do really to like me ndaba promisinga ebinyine kubakorera ni byinshi kunde na bakiga TV okunyayo kunteka platform teje indi yo hatiya so kwenda twekunde ekikuri muri byona ni one love tukundane we share music. My message is to share music. There is nothing another than by sharing music.
Yes, that was selcta amen. Oguyari selcta amen wanyu kuruga kabare oryo mukibisi.
Ngiyo umukiga wo musiji abasiji bakagarama.
Wamuhuri omusiji wakagarama selcta amen. We bari kutureba ori ha Bakiga TV. Konka bambe otakayobya. Subscribe ya YouTube channel yitu kandi following our Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, hona social media platform zona tuli. We bari kutureba Bakiga TV turi nimwe ni Drake the Brown Chiga mwebare.